Alright, so today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the solar power bank and why it is so handy. Okay, so we had this storm happen and we lost power for almost 72 hours. And, during that time, my phone died. No one could get a hold of me because I couldn't charge my phone or anything. And again, that's where this, solar power brick phone charger comes in handy, and I highly recommend that. And that way, when you lose power and nobody's can get a hold of you, they don't worry and they don't have to drive out to check on you. But again, I'm talking about I was in an okay area, so I wasn't, devastated like some of these other people were. So just to show you some kind of the damage that's done, this video is from like the news channel. And right here just kind of shows from the local bar of some of the destruction that wind can really do. Alright, so like one key feature of this power brick right here, like I said, this is the place where you can actually just charge your stuff. One key feature is that we have these lights right here, so this actually does, flashlight abilities. Alright, so to give you an idea on the light, I went outside and I turned it on, and we actually had the big light out there that you can actually see. And then if you want to call for help, there's an SOS feature right there that you can turn on, and it sends that out. And if you really want to get somebody's attention, you have that strobe light, so it's pretty effective. So, again, I'm talking about this right here, kind of like a lifesaver. The other thing that you have on here that I like, if I go to the back end of this, I can sit there and flip this open, and as you tell, I have the USB charger like right there, and then I got the USB-C, so we can actually charge our phones from this. So the next time that you have a power outage, you have a way to charge your phone, you have a way to get a hold of people so they don't have to worry about you. Now, again, I think this is a must have for the home, especially in storms, and obviously, to keep your communications up. Now, is that the only use? No. I'm talking about go camping, go have fun, go on a road trip. You always have an ability to charge your phone.